What up, everybody? Dustin here with Dustin's Customs, and today I'm actually working on, you got it, the Mustang, and I actually got some stuff done. I didn't film it because, you know what? I've filmed me cutting pipes before, cutting and fitting, and it's not entertaining, so I'm just going to show you what I've done. When I had two pipes running forward, now I've kind of U'd it together, one step closer to this turbo kit and getting done. I've been messing around with placement of the turbo. I'm going to try to put it in the typical Mustang 2-valve turbo spot. We'll see if that works. And let's go ahead and go under there and show you exactly what I got going on. As you can see, I've been cutting and chopping pieces out, and you'll see what that strange contraption's got, all these pieces and these tools, and it's a disaster. But I think when I get this all welded up, it's actually, at least this rear piece will be usable before and after when I get a tubular K-member. For now, just don't have it in the budget. I got a family and a huge property that it is paid for, but property taxes and electric for a property this size, and you know, just things like that. Life. I can't afford to do everything all at once. Maintaining the household is the most important thing, guys. Remember that. Don't go out there and finance all your future. But I did once have a smart man tell me what are the most two important things in life. And I said a license and a job. And he said, you're correct on one. He said license and credit. He said without credit, he'd never be able to expand and grow his business, which is true. Say if I wanted to start my own business, I need credit to go out and buy an excavator, a dozer, you know, because that's what I would do. But anyways, let me show you what it looks like underneath the car. Okay, so before I had that coming down off of it and it went forward, and then now I have it going in to this pipe. I haven't welded anything. It's all just tacked together. It's all dirty and you know, it's just what it is for now. But so it comes off from there, used together right there. It's actually all said and done, but there it is. There's the piece. You can see over here, it comes along, connects right here, and then the pipe goes forward. Pretty simple. I did flatten this pipe as a test. I don't think I'm gonna flatten it this much. It's a little flat, and especially with, you know, 2.5 going into a 2.5, it's kind of constrictive already. It'd be better it was a bigger pipe, but for now, this is forward facing or front turbo 1.0, and yeah, that's it. That's the business, and it actually is a pretty solid piece, and I like it. This stainless, that is some hard stuff to drill into. I had to drill into this pipe to get a hole started so I could cut it. It was kind of a pain in the butt to do, you know, just cut the hole out. That's where that piece was I showed you earlier, and actually fits perfect. There's no construction. It flows straight into this pipe, which in TL's goes forward. Pretty free-flowing exhaust as of right now. I was thinking take this flat pipe, go forward under the K-member, something like that. I'm gonna go ahead and show you from the front of the car, just so you can see the direction I'm going. As of right now, the turbo is going up the passenger's or the driver's side. I might shoot the turbo over to the passenger side. Well, I am mostly. It's gonna. You'll see. So like I said, turbo going there, and then there it is right there. Look at all the dust flying around. So that's it right there. This is coming forward. It's gonna go forward, across, and up, I'm pretty sure. I think it's gonna work when I get a tubular cam member. Of course, it's gonna be much better. That's $700. Not ready to do that. I'm gonna build this kit and we'll go from there. If you're wondering, this is the original rear mount turbo thing. That right there was very constrictive. I'm sure that is a hard 90. Pretty mad that I messed up my flow tubes. Wish I wouldn't have done that, but you know what? We're not gonna use them as of right now. But yeah, that's just a little update on what's going on. I got my shop. It is a disaster. Things are everywhere. Toolbox is a mess. But that's okay. It's all part of the game. I'll keep you updated next week. I may do a video in the middle of the week, work on this here and there. But that's it. That's before it had the two going forward. Now they kind of joined together. I think it's going to work out better. I do like how it's one piece like that now. And I think going up to the turbo is going to be much easier to fabricate now that I've got the hard fabrication done. Still got to figure out something for the cold side, intercooler and all that. Still got to get a fuel system. And then, I don't know, maybe one day I'll get some more money and we'll get the car done, you know, go put them rods, pistons, and cranks in that thing and maybe use my turbo kit when the motor's built, maybe not. But for now, I'm going to go turbo, fuel system, and then I'm going to send my motor off to Modular Head Shop, I'm pretty sure. Saw Andrew's video. I really liked how that guy was so precise. That's the main thing I was afraid of. I wanted to go to Livernois, or I think that's what it was, and those guys wanted $4,500 for the machine work. You know, I got a bunch of parts sitting there, but maybe here soon. We'll get it done. I don't know. But yeah, like I said, I'm Dustin. This is Dustin's Customs. This is my Mustang Turbo build. Stay tuned for more because this time I'm going to try to actually make it work. Bye.